All right, guys, check this out. You are looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is 10K gold, and it is the two-tone. You can see there in the middle there, you got the diamond dust finish with the yellow border around. Okay, 10 teeth on top and 10 teeth at the bottom. Okay, now this is made from the customer's impression of their teeth, so it will be a perfect fit. It's custom fitted, handmade. Okay, I'll show you the back side. So it just snaps right on the teeth there. Fits perfectly. You can get your own grill set, top or bottom, on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. Precision handmade work. Beautiful grills, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.